I had a meeting with the company's called Nucleus. Actually, what they do is they do transport logistics. So the other project that I'm working on is a mine ventilation project. So this is it's just basically extracting air from a mine, and then somewhere else on the mine there's an area where where air can come in. So you have an extraction fan. So what it does is it forces a draft, or it induces a draft rather. It's sucking on the side, and anywhere where there are other holes in the mine, the other shafts and so on, other mine shafts, air will now come in, fresh air will come in, and then everything else will be extracted from this ventilation. So process project and then ventilation project. So for the ventilation project, this project is actually in an African country, higher up African country, the DRC, Democratic Republic of Congo. And so what happens is this company, this transport company, they actually do the transportation. They provide the trucks, and there's also a lot of checks that have to be performed before you go. I mean, traveling through all these different countries, and they have to make sure that what we said we're going to export, we are exporting. What the value of what we're exporting, that actually matches what we're invoicing. And so then when it gets that side, then there's like an import, and it's all those different checks that have to be done over there. So I had a meeting with them just to give them an idea as to what the project is, and what typical sizes of the items are that we're producing, producing and exporting to the mine in the DRC. And so they indicated to us what they need from us. They indicated to us what's very important to get done as soon as possible. One of the most important things is what they call a pro forma invoice, and this basically is just an invoice that indicates what the value of everything and what you're actually going to be invoicing the client for what you are manufacturing for them. So that's one of the things that has to be approved, and it can actually take you 2 weeks to get that approved. So you don't want to get that done only when the things are ready to be shipped. You want to get that done as soon as possible, so that by the time you're ready to ship, that's already done, and you can load the items on the truck, and they can be sent to site. You don't want that to keep you